Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today I want to show you how to switch stack on a PGT vinyl sliding glass door. In this video, I'll describe what stack is, how to view stack, and describe what we need to do to change the stack of a vinyl sliding glass door. Currently, we have an installed PGT vinyl sliding glass door. The stack configuration is a standard stack. But what is stack? Stack is how the glass panels are stacked on a track. When you walk up to a door, if the panel on your right is closest to you and the other panels stack away to the left, they call this a standard stack. If the panel on your left is closest to you and it stacks away to the right, they would call that a reverse stack. You have the option to choose standard or reverse stack when all your panels are active or X's. There's a variety of reasons why you would need to change the stack out in the field, and the PGT vinyl sliding glass door gives you that ability to change it in the field. You don't have to worry about turning the glass panels around backwards or flipping them upside down. What we're doing is changing the interlock of the glass panels. So instead of them interlocking this way, we're gonna flip the interlocks and have them interlock that way. With this door, you will need an extra part. There will be a couple of parts that we're gonna have to switch around, and then we'll be switching around the interlocks. To recap, I've now described and shown you what stack is and how to view stack. In the next video, I'll demonstrate the process of switching the stack on a PGT vinyl sliding glass door.